The flames spread quickly. With tents pitched so closely together, the blaze jumped easily from one to the next. Firefighters were swiftly on the scene, but the damage was already done. Much needed emergency accommodation is now ruined. The cause of the blaze isn't yet known. But further back along the refugee route, at Bakaševo in Serbia, the refugees out in the open have been lighting small bonfires to stay warm. Clear skies are better than soaking rain, but the nights are significantly colder.
We are very worried for the capacity, really, that the people are slowing going, and the bottleneck will be problematic, particularly for long waiting time and the weather condition. If the weather is still good, we can still try to do our best, providing blanket, provide some food, water, but if the cold weather is getting worse and worse, it will be very problematic.
With conditions deteriorating, tensions are rising as the routes to Western Europe are increasingly restricted. Desperation and exhaustion sometimes develop into scuffles between refugees. In Slovenia, the parliament has voted to deploy soldiers to reinforce police in the transit camps. The army has certainly arrived here in the border. This jeep is evidence of that. But the numbers involved are extremely small, and we've counted no more than 5 soldiers here at the camp at Gruškoje today, and their role has been rather limited. They're helping to hand out food to the refugees alongside the NGOs and the police. So despite the vote in parliament, the larger contribution of the army to this refugee crisis in Slovenia is still being worked out.
The soldiers' role right now is to watch over the refugees when they arrive here. If they see something out of place, the soldiers must inform the nearest police officer, because we're the ones in charge. But the army was very busy today, and I'm grateful for that.
An extraordinary mini-summit of European leaders will convene on Sunday to discuss the refugee emergency in the Western Balkans. Images such as these will certainly focus their attention. Brennan, Jazeera, Slovenia.